Welcome to the world of the Chakra Kids, where every color has a feeling, every feeling has a purpose, and every child has a special light inside. Meet our friends. Each of them has a different superpower, powered by the colorful energy inside their bodies. Red Rashad takes care of the root chakra. It's all about feeling safe, strong, and brave, like a tree with roots in the ground. Orange Olivia protects the sacral chakra. It helps us create, play, and enjoy life. When we dance, draw, imagine, that's sacral magic. Yellow Yusuf lights up the solar plexus chakra. This is our confidence and courage. It helps us try new things. Green Grace cares for the heart chakra. It helps us love others and love ourselves. Hugs and kindness make the heart shine. Blue Bella speaks for the throat chakra. It helps us use our voice to share our truth, ask for what we need, and sing our song. Indigo Isaiah watches over the third eye chakra. It helps us trust our intuition, the little voice inside that knows what's right. Violet Vivica protects the crown chakra, our connection to magic, spirit, and the whole universe. Uh-oh, the colors are fading. The Chakra Kids must work together to bring the energy back. First, they take deep belly breaths. Breathing helps energy flow and brings calm to every chakra. Their colors come back stronger. Because when we understand our feelings, we shine even brighter. You have all 7 chakras too. When you balance your feelings, breathe, and show love, you are a Chakra Kid. The end.